Alright, in this video, we're going to go from this to this using probably one or two of these and this. So as you can see, I've got a chain link fence that's down out here. We had high winds that came through here and knocked down a bunch of trees several years ago. And when it did, as you can see, it bent the fence. This is the only real property damage I had from it. I had a lot of trees down, so I had a lot of firewood. So anyway, what I am going to do, or what I'm going to try to do here, is remove that pole and then replace it with a new pole. And I've kind of looked at it a little bit already, and it looks like I'll need to cut the piping off right there, and then back over here, well, however long, probably right in here, depending on what 10 feet looks like. I know 10 feet will not allow me to simply just remove that pole, because that goes way, I don't know, way back there somewhere. I do have a grinder with a cutoff wheel, but it's a red flag day, high winds, low humidity. So I'm going to do it with a hacksaw. Wish me luck. And I forgot to get some of these, so I'll have to reuse them or fake it somehow. Okay, so on an uncut piece of railing, there is a compressed end on one end and a normal end on the other. That way the compressed end can fit into the normal end. So if you need to cut the pipe, be sure to cut the regular end and not the compressed end. And then you won't need any kind of connectors. Now, on this one, I have some really long pipes, rails, whatever you want to call them, and so I had to cut it at not an optimal place, so I had to use these splices, butt connectors, whatever you want to call them, to adapt in there. And of course there'll be a link to these type of connectors down there in the description, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And of course you can most likely purchase them at your local hardware supply store also. Alright, now to clean this mess up.
Okay, so after letting this set for a little while, I don't like how this has that joint right there, and also this pipe is bent just a little bit. Thought I could like deal with it, be okay, but nope. So I'm gonna cut that and go right about there and right about there. And I'll use another one of these to join it in. So, oh, and then I can use some of my old fencing to make that connection. Yes, thank you. Alright. Mark it right here. Bye. Love you.
So there you go. There's how I repaired the bent fence rail. Again, there'll be links in the description down there for the adapter that I used. And these can be found pretty much at any hardware store as well. So looks a little better now without it being bent from the tree falling on it. I'm happy with it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.